Hi guys and girls, happy to see you here again. In today's broadcast, 15 divided by 15, which equals 1, and 14 divided by 14 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 15 divided by 15 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 14 divided by 14, and we can write this part as 1 over 14 divided by 14. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 14 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 14, which equals 1 over 196. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and enjoy the ride.